So now, what are your plans for the future? What's coming up next for Howard?
Definitely building out my content. I want to continue to post more content on LinkedIn. If you're not already following me, follow me on LinkedIn, Howard Knapp. Already said it before, but I do try to post every week. I do post relevant information about supply chain, especially about supply chain resilience. Really trying to focus on educating my LinkedIn community and anybody in my community about the importance of resilience. Really passionate about it. I've seen the importance of it now, and I think really uniquely qualified, right? Going back to the military and civilian aspect, to be able to combine those two and to be able to share my knowledge and my experiences with people to help build a better supply chain. So I want to continue that. Now, looking forward to writing another book about another topic in supply chain resiliency.
So the best way someone needs to get your book, they need to go to hsnap.com. That's Hotel Kilo November Alpha Papa. That's 2 P's.com. And get that first chapter to better understand that. But then to communicate with Howard, go on LinkedIn, connect with him there, and send him a message that way. That's the best way to connect with him, to learn more about what he can do and help you with your company. If you're a vendor, looking for a way to get in with the aerospace industry, reach out to Howard. He can definitely guide you in those specific areas. He's got a process. It's clean. It's perfect. It works every time because it's applicable to different things. So definitely think about it.